Good morning, Standard 9 subject English. Today we learn revision 1.3 poem. Hope is the thing with feathers. Hope is the thing with feathers. So we learned this poem. Today we learn revision discussion about the poem, the extract. So in the examination you ask the question, read the poem and do the following activities, or read the extract and do the following activities. Now simple factual activity A1, simple factual activity. Complete the following lines from the poem. First, the who bird is sitting dash. Second, singing of the bird dash. Third, its song is dash at time of storm. Fourth, dash has heard the bird's song in most difficult circumstances. So these are the 4 sentences. Now we complete it. The hope bird is sitting in the shore. Underline it. In the shore. Singing of the bird never stops. Underline never stops. The sentence, its song is the sweetest at time of storm. 4. The poetess has heard the bird's song in most difficult circumstances. The poetess, underline. Extract number 1, page number 15. Hope is the thing with feathers dash. It asked a crumb of me, means here full poem. Here full poem is asked for the extract. Now question number A2, complex factual activities. Match the following: A column, B column. A, first hope. Second, gale storm. Third, keep warm. Fourth, chilliest land. Fifth, a crumb. In B column, A, difficulties and problems. B, toughest time in life. C, a very small bit. D, a nest in the tree. E, provide comfort. F, bird. So match the correct A column with B column. You wrote it, but now I tell you. Hope means bird. Gale storm means toughest times in life. Keep warm and provide comfort. Chilliest land means difficulties and problems. And a crumb means a very small bit. So match A column with B column correctly. Then second point, find the previous lines in the poem that mean the following. There are 7 lines and there write their meaning. You wrote it already in your notebook as well as in your workbook. Now read it again and again. First, hope is a light, delicate thing. This is the sentence. And their meaning, hope is the thing with feathers in poem. Second, hope offers comfort to your soul. Line in poem that perches in the soul and sing. Hope is not a worthy thought, it is more like a feeling and emotion. You have already wrote the answer of this. Fourth, in the most difficult times, hope offers the greatest comfort. Fifth, hope is not easily defeated. Sixth, hope has given comfort to many people. Seven, hope lives on in very hard times, even when it gets nothing from you. Second, next point, write in a few lines about an experience of your own where you scored in your examination much more than you hoped for. What did the experience teach you? बघा, तुम्हाला तुमच्या परीक्षेत तुमच्या अपेक्षेपेक्षा खूप जास्त गुण मिळाले. या तुमच्या अनुभवाविषयी काही वाक्य लिहा. त्या अनुभवाने तुम्हाला काय शिकवले. तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला उत्तर त्यात लिहिलेलं आहे. तरी पण मी सांगतो, I could get much more marks in the examination than I hoped for, and I was on the cloud 9. Really very happy. Everyone admired me for my effort. It was a great experience. It taught me that if you hope for something earnestly and work accordingly, you can achieve anything according to your hope and expectation. Hoping is achieving. Hoping is achieving. So, A3, vocabulary based poetic device activities. First, write the rhyming pairs of words from the poem. You know that the rhyming pairs of the poem. Take for example, soul all, feathers words, heard bird, storm orm, and see me. Then we can relate many of our feelings and experiences to events or things in nature. Which of our feelings or experiences can relate to the following? Darkness, evil sign, a storm and difficulty, sunrise, beginning, progress, growth, a higher, a light, shore, pleasure, sunshine, happiness, earthquake, a sudden violent damage, a rainbow, unexpected joy, dawn, the beginning of something, dark clouds, sad or difficult situation, dusk, evening, almost the end of something, a peacock, pleasant feeling, flood, a lot of difficulties, damages. So, read it, whole poem, the extract, question and answer, again and again, and try to understand it. Write again and again also question and answer. So we stop here.